Welcome to Diverse Journeys. We are thrilled to have you join our team. Today marks the beginning of your journey with us, a journey dedicated to providing high-quality, client-centered support. Our mission is built on the belief that every individual deserves an advocate and a dedicated support system. And that starts with you. Meet our team. At Diverse Journeys, we operate as a unified team to support our clients and our staff. Our leadership and support structure is divided into three main groups: the office management team, our case managers, and our direct supervisors. Let's introduce the people who will be supporting you in your new role. Leadership team. Amanda Jones is our co-founder and president. She provides the vision and strategic direction for the agency, ensuring we stay true to our mission of service. You can reach her at amanda@diversejourneys.org. Laura Broderick serves as our co-founder and clinical director. Laura oversees the clinical aspects of our care and support strategies. If you have clinical questions or need guidance on complex cases, you can contact her at laura@diversejourneys.org or via phone at 323-304-2428. Elizabeth Woods is the CEO of Diverse Journeys. She manages overall operations and ensures our agency maintains the highest standards of excellence. Elizabeth can be reached at elizabeth@diversejourneys.org or 310-254-7508. Douglas Sato is our office manager. He is your primary point of contact for administrative needs and office logistics. You can reach Douglas at douglas@diversejourneys.org or 310-643-7403. Wynette Jones is our payroll manager. She ensures that your hard work is processed and compensated accurately and on time. For any questions regarding your pay or issues with your paychecks, please contact her at wynette@diversejourneys.org. Case managers. Hafet Velasquez is one of our dedicated case managers, coordinating services and advocacy for our clients in the Santa Clarita and Valencia areas. Contact Hafet at hafet@diversejourneys.org or 661-202-6383. Petra Coy also serves as a case manager, bringing a wealth of experience to client advocacy specifically in the San Fernando Valley. You can reach Petra at petra@diversejourneys.org or 310-925-8956. Ife Mukulu completes our case management team, focusing on personalized client care plans for the West LA area. Contact Ife at ife@diversejourneys.org or 310-709-9461. Family teachers, direct supervisors. Ryan and Emily are the family teachers for FTH1 at La Tijera. They provide direct supervision and hands-on support. You can reach them at FTHLaTijera@diversejourneys.org or call 310-696-1293. Sam and Tintin are the family teachers for FTH2 on 63rd Street. They lead the direct care team to provide a safe and nurturing environment. You can contact them at FTH63rd@diversejourneys.org or call 323-440-0123. Randy and Megan are the family teachers for FTH3 on 84th Street. They manage the team to provide a great experience for our clients. You can contact them at FTH84th@diversejourneys.org or call 310-663-0837. Walter and Ruth are the family teachers for FTH 4 on Flight Avenue. They are committed to providing an exceptional level of care and guidance for our residents. You can reach them at fthflight@diversejourneys.org or by calling 310-966-0384. Tony and Stephanie are the family teachers for FTH 5 on 132nd Street. They manage the day-to-day operations and care standards for the residents at this home. You can reach Tony and Stephanie at fth132nd@diversejourneys.org or by calling 310-462-2144. Orientation Overview. This orientation serves as a comprehensive introduction to your role and our specific service model. We will focus on 4 critical areas: role clarity, service structure, training and safety, and paperwork and pay. Our goal is for you to begin your journey at Diverse Journeys with confidence. Our service model is client-centered based. We adapt our support to the unique personality, history, and goals of each individual. You will spend your first few weeks getting to know the specific preferences and communication styles of the clients you work with. At Diverse Journeys, we believe that every role matters in the client support team. Our structure is built on a simple but powerful principle. We organize support around the client: direct support, supervision, coordination, and office functions. Each plays a vital role in delivering safe, consistent, and meaningful services. But here's what makes us different. Our organization is designed around service, not hierarchy alone. Yes, we have structure, but that structure exists to serve one purpose: helping our clients succeed. Clients remain the focus of every layer of support. When staff work together around a client's goals, support becomes more coordinated and more effective. Planning, communication, documentation, and supervision all connect back to the same purpose: helping the client succeed. And here's what that means for you. Your contribution is essential, even when tasks seem routine. Whether you provide direct support, complete paperwork, communicate with supervisors, or follow emergency procedures, you are helping the larger team deliver reliable services. The expectation is collaboration, professionalism, and steady follow-through. Because when we work together, amazing things happen. Team-based support helps employees make a difference while also feeling valued within the organization. At Diverse Journeys, every role matters. Every contribution counts. And together, we create lasting positive change in the lives of those we serve. Clarity is the foundation of success. Your primary responsibility is to facilitate independence while ensuring safety. This means following the individual program plan, the IPP, for each client meticulously. We expect punctuality, professional communication, and a heart for advocacy. Make sure to read your job description. Safety is non-negotiable. This includes proper medication management, emergency preparedness, and infection control. If you see something, say something. Never hesitate to contact your supervisor if a client's health or safety seems at risk. Also keep in mind the client's rights. Service Framework. In California, the Lanterman Developmental Disabilities Services Act, the Lanterman Act, establishes a legal right to lifetime services for individuals with developmental disabilities. This system is funded by California taxpayers and administered through the Department of Developmental Services, or DDS. DDS provides funding to the Regional Center System, which in turn contracts with service providers like Diverse Journeys. When a client is referred to our agency, we receive their individual program plan, the IPP, which outlines their long-term goals and the services they are entitled to receive. Based on that IPP, our team develops a specialized individual service plan, known as the ISP. This serves as our practical roadmap, detailing specific goals, support methodologies, and core areas like hygiene, domestic skills, and communication. You will find a copy of the ISP in your orientation packet. Please review it thoroughly, as it defines the scope of your daily activities. Along with the ISP, you are required to keep the emergency information form with you throughout every shift. This contains sensitive data like allergies and medications and must remain strictly confidential. It is essential for interfacing with paramedics or law enforcement during an emergency. Your supervisor will email you directly regarding any updates to this form to ensure client safety is always maintained. Training pathway. Orientation is just the starting point. Diverse Journeys expects a structured learning pathway that continues throughout your first year and beyond. Our program is organized into 3 levels. Core 1 for baseline readiness, Core 2 for ongoing supplemental training, and Core 3 for those moving into leadership and management roles. Your journey begins with Core 1, which focuses on baseline readiness and essential compliance. To ensure the highest standards of safety and privacy, all new team members are required to complete certification in first aid and CPR, as well as mandatory training on sexual harassment prevention and HIPAA privacy regulations. We utilize the Pro Trainings platform for these courses, providing you with expert-led, flexible learning modules. Completing these certifications is your first step in demonstrating our commitment to the dignity and value of the lives we support. Please look for an email with your login credentials to begin these sessions immediately. To begin your coursework, you will be assigned an account at protrainings.com, one of our key training partners. Once your account is set up, keep an eye out for an email from Pro Trainings. Your username will be your email address, and your temporary password will be the word "welcome," all lowercase. These trainings are prepaid by Diverse Journeys. If you have any trouble logging in, or if the system asks for payment, please stop and contact our office immediately so we can resolve it for you. Finally, if you have already completed any of these required certifications elsewhere, please submit your valid certificates to us at diversejourneys@diversejourneys.org as soon as possible. In addition to your online modules, we provide specialized CPI or Crisis Prevention Intervention training. This is conducted in-house by our certified CPI instructor. These classes are scheduled throughout the year, and you will be notified when the next session is available. Please keep in mind that your supervisor must authorize your attendance for CPI. Finally, once you have successfully finished all mandatory Pro Trainings courses, you will be enrolled in our Foundations training. This online module serves as the final component of your Core 1 requirements, providing the essential groundwork for your daily interactions and support strategies. Core 2 is designed for supplemental training for employees who have been with us for over 1 year. Every employee must complete at least 12 hours of training annually. We have a vast library of resources available, including in-home training and sessions with our training partners. This includes zero-tolerance training and specific programs tailored to your needs and the needs of your clients. Core 3 training is specifically designed for case managers and family teachers only. This curriculum includes the Certified Family Teaching certification, as well as specialized training to better understand and assist with your specific client's needs. This level provides the high-level resources necessary to excel in management and leadership roles. Accurate payroll is an essential part of your job quality. It is crucial that you record your hours. Paychecks are issued on the 10th and the 25th of each month. Hours worked between the 1st of the month and the 15th are processed on the 16th, and you'll get paid on the 25th. Hours worked between the 16th and the last day of the month are processed on the 1st, and you'll get paid on the 10th. If a payday falls on a weekend, you will be paid the Friday before. You will receive your pay stubs a few days prior to payday via email. Please use your password, which is set as the first 4 letters of your last name and the last 4 numbers of your social security. Please open them immediately and verify your hours. If is there any mistake or discrepancy, contact us so we can fix it before the payday and you'll be able to get paid accurately. For timekeeping, we use Allura Plus. You will receive email instructions on the software, and your supervisor will provide further training on how to use it. While you can use your own device, tablets and computers are available at every client's location. Please remember that Allura Plus uses GPS location for clock-ins and clock-outs to comply with mandated California EVV requirements. Your participation in this is mandatory. Additionally, you will be registered for CalSavers, a state retirement program. Once registered, you're automatically enrolled. While Diverse Journeys facilitates this, your participation is not mandatory. CalSavers will contact you via email as well as by mail. If you wish to opt out or change your contributions, you must contact CalSavers directly. Good support work depends on more than just client interaction. It also depends on accurate administrative follow-through. Our administrative forms are designed to keep our work organized and everyone accountable. Whether you are submitting an expense reimbursement with your receipts, requesting time off with at least 2 weeks' notice, or reporting an unusual incident within 24 hours, following these agency processes is vital. These steps are not just paperwork. They are essential compliance expectations and safety measures that ensure we can continue to provide high-quality, responsible care to all our clients. Administrative follow-through keeps our work organized. Regarding expenses, if you spend personal funds on approved work-related items like bus fare, parking, or recreational activities for clients, you must submit an expenditure reimbursement form. Note that anything over $7 must be approved by a coordinator first. All receipts must be attached and submitted within 30 days of the cost to be processed. Please fill out the form with all required information and be sure to sign it. To ensure we have adequate coverage for our clients, all vacation or leave requests must be submitted using the time-off request form at least 2 weeks in advance. Please clearly identify your last day of work and your expected return date so we can ensure shift coverage. Once completed, submit it to your supervisor for approval. Timely submission is key to maintaining the consistency of care our clients rely on. If you witness an unusual or serious event, such as a fall, vehicle accident, neglect, or abuse, it must be reported within 24 hours. Please contact your supervisor, case manager, or anyone on the office management team immediately to report it. Prompt reporting is both a compliance expectation and a vital safety measure for our clients. Communication protocols. Strong communication is treated as a safety practice, a staffing practice, and a professionalism practice at Diverse Journeys. To stay supported rather than isolated in the field, it is crucial to know who to contact and for what. For client-related matters, such as questions about support delivery, client needs, or service concerns, you should contact a supervisor or senior manager directly to keep decisions aligned with the client's plan. For office matters like payroll, training logistics, or records, please call the office during business hours. Monday to Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Most importantly, if you are calling out sick, you must speak to a person directly. Do not rely solely on a text or email, as direct contact helps us protect client coverage and respond quickly. Always keep important phone numbers available and never assume a voicemail alone is enough for urgent issues. Emergency readiness. Before working independently, it is vital that you understand how to respond to emergencies and the high-quality standards our agency expects. This includes knowing exactly what to do in urgent community, hospital, or disaster situations. Review your emergency procedures now so you know how to seek backup support and access client evacuation resources like the grab-and-go bag. Beyond emergencies, quality assurance applies to every task you perform. This includes completing your mandatory daily notes to register all the great things you've accomplished with your client. Finally, when supporting client finances, you must follow our procedures exactly to protect both the client and yourself. If any procedure is unclear, please ask questions immediately to ensure we eliminate uncertainty and maintain the trust placed in us. Daily support note. As mentioned previously, your daily support note is a mandatory part of your communication protocol. This slide shows a sample of the documentation you will complete for every shift. It captures essential data from the specific locations where support was provided to detailed categories like self-care, communication skills, and health and safety. You will also use this note to document progress on vocational goals and leisure activities. At the bottom, there is space for a summary of outcomes and any barriers you encountered while providing support that day. Remember, this isn't about tracking tasks. It's about telling the story of your client's day and ensuring that every person on the team is informed and ready to provide consistent, high-quality care. Code of Conduct. As we near the end of our orientation, it's important to discuss the professional standards that guide our daily interactions. Our professional code of conduct is built on reliability, boundaries, and respect. This means showing up on time and being present for your clients, maintaining clear professional boundaries that prioritize their well-being, and always communicating with kindness and transparency. This code isn't just a list of rules. It's a promise we make to our clients and their families that we will represent diverse journeys with integrity. By following these standards, you help create a safe, supportive environment where everyone can thrive. Please review our Code of Conduct policy. We trust you to uphold these values in everything you do. Your success begins with preparation, clear communication, and a commitment to meaningful, client-centered work. Stay connected. Make sure the agency has your correct email address for the handbook, paycheck, and any other communications. Keep resources ready. Save key orientation materials where you can review them easily after today. Ask questions early. Use your supervisor and office contacts whenever you need clarification or support. Begin with purpose. Remember that the work you do every day is meaningful, responsible, and rewarding. Diverse Journeys closes the orientation by reminding employees that their work and dedication matter deeply to clients and families. The expectation is that you start prepared, stay engaged, and continue learning as part of a dependable team. And finally, welcome to the team.